Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about pointer to structure in C++ programming. In C++ we can have one pointer to the structure. Like an example, here we have one student variable s, and then we can create one pointer p which can have the address of that variable s, and this way the pointer p can point to the variable s, and we can use the pointer to access the members of that variable s by using the arrow operator. So in this example program we have one structure called student with the data members name and role. Now inside the main method we can create one variable of the student type s1, and we can initialize the data members of that variable, like the name can be Tom and the role can be 1. And then we can create one student type pointer p, and which can have the address of the variable s1. And now we can use the pointer with the arrow operator, and we can access the name, and also we can access the role of that student variable s1. So I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the output is Tom1. So this way we can create one pointer to point to the variable of that structure, and then we can use the arrow operator to access the data members of that variable. So hope you understand about the concept of pointer to structure in C++ programming. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.